This is Shop Talk with Buck. Welcome to my shop. Today is Monday, August 26th. Had a wonderful weekend. I hope y'all did too. Looking forward to the start of a new week. What I'm planning, if I can get this stuff caught up, I'm planning on starting on a dry sink. I'm going to pull it out here today and go over it and get reoriented to it. Because it's been several months since I even looked at it. So, I've got a little bit of footage already in the can. So I'm going to have to take a look at that because this is what I've been looking forward to. I got the miter station completed, and then I got everything like I want it to where, okay, now I can concentrate because it's going to take a little time. I got to get everything matched right and get everything built up. So it's going to take some time. So I got it where I feel like I want it. So today I am going to start the dry sink. Go back on it, rather. But just to tell y'all what happened this weekend, what we did, my wife got X-Tool F1. F1 is the model. They make 3 or 4 or 5 different ones, but the F1 is a portable deal. She took a can, I don't know if we're going to be able to see that or not. Well, that's my Sawdust Solutions with Buck logo. She put that on a coffee mug. I thought that was really neat. I mean, golly bum. And we also did this. And I made this. And the time it took to do that was just a couple minutes. So yeah. If y'all would like to see some footage on that, just leave me a comment and we'll be happy to. Cause she's been studying on this stuff for a long time. She knew she wanted something. She wants to grave ink pens and personalize them, that kind of thing. And coffee mugs is her biggest thing. Personalizing them, putting her name on it and different stuff. And well, she got it, and I kind of helping her with it this weekend, and we got it set up in the basement. First, had to clean the basement out, which, we kind of got it. Well, anyway, we got her set up, and we went to burning. We burnt that right there. I said, golly, bum, I can't believe how well that come out. So, if y'all want to see some of that, just if you're interested, shoot me a comment and I'll do one of these shop talks with it. We'll just skim over the top or we'll burn something. It's pretty neat, actually. It is pretty neat. But like I say, I got the miter station. I got it done so where I can get started on the dry sink. Looking forward to that. So yeah, there's my miter station now. That thing's turned out pretty good. I got a few little things I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about, you can go buy a T-track. I've thought about that. But then I got these micro jig, these dovetail, I use it on that straightening jig. Well, if I cut me a dovetail through there, I could just use that right there, and using a stop block is a must. You got table saw, miter saw, even a radial arm saw. You need stops to where you can do repeated cuts. So that's what my next thing, and also I'm gonna probably build some drawers, some shelves, or something to come right up under here, and there's nothing like having storage. So And I'll put the other rung from my shelf back up there. I'll probably put it there and make me a shelf there. I'm telling you, storage is a premium. Well, in any kind of shop, really, you know. So we got that. We got our laser going. And we're ready to start a new week. See? And looking forward to that. I'm going to get that dry sink out and get going on it. I'm going to get it started. But meanwhile, y'all have a wonderful day and have a wonderful week. And we'll see if we can't see you tomorrow. And maybe I can show you just a dab of that dry sink and see where I'm at on it and so forth and so on. And meanwhile, y'all have a wonderful day. Be safe. And I will see y'all hopefully tomorrow.